Hello, this is Philip from the WP Bakery support team, and today I'm going to show you how to install and configure the Photik theme. Before we begin, you'll need to have WordPress already installed on your website, like I have here. You can see I'm using the default 2011 theme that comes with WordPress. You also need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. First, we'll need to upload the theme to our WordPress site. To do that, go to Appearance, Themes. Click on the Install Themes tab at the top, and then click on Upload. Click on Choose File, and select the zip file containing the Photik theme. Now click on Install, and the theme has been uploaded, but it has not been activated yet. To do that, click on Activate, and now Photik has been installed and activated. You can see that we're brought automatically to the Photik Theme Options panel. Before we configure the theme any farther, let's take a look at what our site looks like now. I'll go over to the site's front page and reload it. And that's what the site looks like before we do any configuration. You can see that we need to add a menu here. So let's do that. Back in our WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Menus. I'm going to create a new menu and add our 2 pages to it. I've already recorded a screencast on configuring the menus in Photik, so I'm not going to repeat those instructions here for the sake of time. Now that the menu has been created, let's see how it looks on the site. Very good. Go back into your WordPress dashboard, and let's import the dummy content for this theme. To do that, go to Tools, Import. Click on WordPress because we want to import a WordPress XML file. We'll need to install the importer plugin. Click Activate Plugin and run Importer. Click on Choose File and select the demo content file which came with your Photik download. Click Upload File and Import. I want to assign the imported post to my user account, so I'll select me under this drop-down, and we also want to download and import the file attachments. Click on Submit, and this may take quite a bit of time depending on the speed of your internet connection. And we're finished. Now let's configure the home page. To do that, go to Settings, Reading. We want to change the front page display to a static page because we want to show our portfolio items on the front page. To do that, choose a static page under Front Page Displays. Next, under the Front Page drop-down, we'll choose Portfolio, and under Posts page, we'll select Blog. These pages have been created from the dummy content file, so if you haven't imported that, you'll need to create these pages manually. Now, click Save Changes. Let's take a look at our site now. Very good. Now that we have the dummy content imported, with the extra pages that it has created, let's go back and configure our menus farther. Go back into the WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance, Menus. You can see we have 3 menus now. We have My Menu, which I created earlier in this screencast, and we also have Main and Second, which the dummy content has created. This menu called Second has our social media links. Over in the Theme Locations box, let's set the primary menu to use the menu called Main, and the secondary menu to use this one called Second. Remember to save your changes. Let's take a look at our menu now. Go back to the site, reload the page, and there's our new menus. We have the menu called Main and the second menu with our social media links here. Now, let's change some of the theme options. Back in your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Theme Options, and we can see the Photik Theme Options panel here. Let's go to the Portfolio section, and we'll change the number of portfolio items that appear on the front page. Let's change that to 6. Let's also change the image slider interval to 3. And let's change the slider effects. There's other options we can change here, but we won't worry about them for now. Make sure you click Save Changes after you make any changes in the Theme Options panel. Now let's change the fonts and colors for our site. Go over to the Colors and Typography section. And for these settings to take effect, we need to make sure you turn this checkbox on called Enable the use of custom typography for your site. So we'll turn that on. Let's change the font for the general typography to Georgia. Let's change the headings to Arvo. Let's change the main accent color to a bright red, and the navigation and widget titles to something like this. I know that's not very pretty, but this is just a demo, so that's okay. And remember to click Save Changes. Now, let's see how it looks. Very good. Finally, let's change the copyright text that appears in our footer. To do that, in your theme options, footer section, and let's look at this. There it is. And that is how to install and configure the Photik theme. Thanks for watching.